Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about My Family Divided by Diane Guerrero. As you can see, I read the Kindle version of it here. So this is basically a memoir-style nonfiction piece that is dealing with her life, and it details everything from her young life into high school and college and beyond. And it deals with all of the complications that happen after her family has been deported. Her parents are deported back to Colombia. So I think this book is a great introduction to nonfiction. I think it's written in a voice that would really appeal to a lot of younger audiences. The voice is very casual and doesn't use a lot of complicated language. And in fact, there's actually a lot of slang that's used and a lot of humor that's used that I think a lot of young adult readers would really latch onto. I think something that would make this book really valuable in the classroom is that it's offering a voice that maybe students have not been exposed to before. Another reason I think this book would be really great in a classroom is the subject matter is very topical. A lot of kids that are coming into our classrooms are going to be familiar with the news to at least some extent, and this book deals with issues at the border, issues with deportation, and we see a lot of this in the news. Families that are getting essentially ripped apart because of different issues and policies that we have in our country. And I think this narrative offers, first of all, a first-person experience. This is a narrative that a lot of students are not going to be exposed to otherwise. This is a brand new narrative to me. I had never read something like this. But it also offers the opportunity for a whole different conversation to open up, and it also emphasizes our concept of diversity in the classroom and that discussion as well. So I think this book has a lot of great purposes in the classroom, and I really, really enjoyed it. I thought it offered a really fresh perspective on an issue that we're hearing a lot about. So I really loved it.